let's hit the road. I'm gonna stitch it and see what happens. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna put some music on. Well, I might put like copyright music over it. So if I'm singing to something and you don't know, like, you know what I mean? YouTube is like that, and who knows if my camera's gonna even stay there. Oh, I need to put it here. Anyway, off we go.
Or two. But I'm gonna try and do my best. This is probably the first video that's gonna come up. Clearly, I have been watching all these videos of this dang phone, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. So yeah, I had to make my own. Clearly had to make my own. So look, I'm gonna put you guys away because I need to drive. It's hot and this aircon is coming on.
So now I'm recording on the 12 Pro Max. Shook. Really love it. This is the front, and now I'll do a switcheroo to the back. Okay, so now I've got the wide angle lens on, but I can change it anytime. So this is the wide angle lens. It is super crazy. And now let me change it to normal. I do that. We're back to all normal, and obviously the zoom is really zoomed. It's exciting if I like vlog like this, like wide angle. But yeah, I hope you guys really liked this video. I am making more videos coming, hopefully. Don't judge me, but I knew you guys really wanted it. I'm going to edit it now. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. May the odds be friend. Goodbye.